in the class. In the first week, we were in the business of collecting nouns. So yes, let's just dive right in, and I could just pretend and welcome you back again to day 4 of our 30 days spoken Maasai language and culture orientation. I hope you are all keeping up with our posts here. If you're a class student, vocabulary notebooks and practicing the words we have learned so far. Today, we are going to continue filling our toolbox of vocabulary with more nouns and verbs. Additionally, we will explore the fascinating history of how the Maasai people migrated into East Africa and settled in the Rift Valley. So first, let's expand our vocabulary with some new nouns, focusing on vegetation and trees. Here are some important words to add to your vocabulary lists. Yes, plants.